In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you 4 authentic reggae strum patterns you can use on a wide range of songs from reggae and island styles. If you stick around to the end of this video, you're going to learn about proper strumming mechanics, left-hand muting of your chords, rhythmic subdivisions and accents, and how to practice in a way that's effective and will really bring you results. Now the first pattern we have to learn is the scratch pattern, sometimes called the pitter patter. This is going to be the background of every strum we learn in this lesson. If you'd like to get the jam track that we're going to practice along with, you can click right up here anytime during this video. That white dot will take you to a link that's also in the description below. For your support of this channel, you'll get a whole bunch of benefits, including the jam track and song sheets for this lesson. I'm glad you're here either way. Let's jump right in. Here are some ergonomic strumming mechanics that will improve all of your strumming. Begin by pointing your index finger out and touching it lightly with the thumb. For this kind of strum, we do want to use our index finger. You're going to want to brush the strings lightly with the tip of the nail. You don't need long nails to play. Just touch with the very tip of the nail. And what we're going to do is mute the strings and begin to move in a down and up pattern. Some more mechanics. Notice how the arm does move down and up, but the motion is generated mostly from the wrist. Let's count together an accent on the and. It goes like this. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. As you practice, please count out loud so you bring your mind and your body together. The bridge between the two is your voice. 1, 2, practice, go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Look at what you're doing. Notice how you whip the strings a little harder on the accent. Everything else very, very light. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. It's already starting to sound a bit like reggae with that accent pattern. If you really want to master this kind of strumming, I encourage you to take your time, tap your foot, and feel it on the beats. Bring your body together with your count. 1 and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. If you can say it, you can play it. If you're patient, you can learn anything. Of course, as we play with the jam track, it's quicker, so make it even lighter. Are you ready? 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Don't push too hard. Sit back, watch the show, take a big breath, and smile. Come on now. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. Congratulations, you just tested positive for the pitter-patter rhythm. I've got 4 more reggae rhythms to share with you. Thanks for joining in. If you're enjoying this so far, please give this video a thumbs up. Check the links down below to get the jam track, and please subscribe to this channel, Ukulele Zen. There is a ton of great content waiting for you here at this channel. This tablature that you see right here is over a G minor chord. That's because there's going to be a future lesson for Bob Marley's I Shot the Sheriff. For this song, we're going to be using the chords A, D, and E7. We have to practice left-hand muting before we can get into these rhythms. So what we're going to do is strum the A chord and then shut it off by muting with the left hand. What you do is lift off the fingers and then just allow it to get lazy and mute the strings. Everybody's hand is different, so you have to figure out for yourself what you need to do to mute the chords. Here's a great exercise for making it feel easy. Strum and then mute, and pay attention to the difference between these 2 kinds of hand positions. When you're strumming, it shouldn't be a big squeeze. When you're muting, it's very, very relaxed. See if you can go back to the chord with a light touch and then let go. Light touch, let go. Light touch, let go. Let's try this with the D chord. Whatever fingering you use, touch, let go. Light touch, let go. Light touch, let go. Awesome. Now the E7 chord. Light touch, let go. Light touch, let go. For every open chord you play, you just gotta sit with it and get curious of what the heck do my fingers have to do to mute this chord. Of course, if you use bar chords, all you have to do is strum and release, strum, release, and you can use this movable D and this movable E, and these chords are what you need to play Steer It Up by Bob Marley. Before we do this with the jam track at tempo, let's start with the pitter-patter, nice and easy. Here we go. 1, and a 2, E, and a 3, E, and a 4, E, and a 1, E, and a 2, E, and a 3, E. And try to make it feel light. Breathe. If you're going to use bar chords, it's like this. Congratulations, you've just tested positive for reggae. Let's do it with a jam track. Start with the pitter-patter. That's what all the pros do. Lock in. Let's do it. Singles. How you feeling? Steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Come on, baby, oh, steer it up, little darling, steer it up. Let's get into the other rhythms. If you dug that little lick, there's a video right here that teaches you a whole bunch of cool licks in this key of A.